Hi everyone, I'm Tomer. I'm the co-founder of the Digital Reach platform. I'm going to tell you about 5 free marketing tools that you should be doing starting right now. The first marketing tool that you should be using is Google Analytics, and this is a basic one. Every website needs some sort of analytics software that can report on the data that people are going to your website. So that's exactly what Google Analytics is. It reports on the data on people going to your website. Whether it's users, bounce rate, which website or which landing page people are going to. It can tell you the social referrals. It can tell you other referrals, behaviors from your audience. It can tell you essentially anything you need to know about what's going on your website. The second tool you should be using is Ubersuggest. This is a free tool by Neil Patel, and it creates an SEO audit of your website. So what you do is you put your website in or a competitor's website in, and it does a whole audit of the website. So it tells you, it gives you content ideas, keyword ideas, what keywords you're ranking for, how you can get there, some errors on your website, what you need to fix, such as maybe you need crawls, whatever it is. Ubersuggest is perfect. The third tool is a social media management tool called HootSuite. I'm sure a lot of you guys either are using a social media management tool like maybe Buffer or HubSpot offers some, but HootSuite is an awesome social media management tool. It allows you to schedule posts, create reports, dashboards, everything you could think of. And the beauty is the scheduling. So you might have all of your content on a content calendar. All you do, insert everything you need to insert in the Composer tab, schedule out when you want to schedule out, and that's it. That's all you need to do. It is perfect. The fourth tool that you should be using, and it varies depending on what you're exactly trying to accomplish, but is Bitly. Bitly is a URL shortener, and it allows you to track your URL, which it's created via Bitly, and it creates tracking in it. So what you do is you go to a blog post that you want or a website that you want, and you take the URL, you put it into Bitly, you click shorten, and that's it. You post it on your social feeds, email, whatever it is. Bitly tracks it, tells you how many people clicked on it, where they're from, and etc. Bitly is perfect to see what your digital reach is. The fifth tool that you should be using, and it's probably my favorite tool, is Facebook Ads Library. Facebook Ads Library allows you to basically see what your competitors are running on Facebook, so the ads. So it could be on the Instagram network, on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever Facebook owns, it's going to be on there. And it can show you variations of the ad. And this tool is perfect to get good ad ideas of what your competition is doing, or you can even use it for a client and show them, listen, person A, your competition here is doing this. Maybe you should do something similar. Or maybe you can copy, or not even copy, but adjust what they're doing to make it better. And that's it. If you thought these tips were helpful, or these tools were helpful, please leave me a review, comment, subscribe, whatever it is, whatever platform you're on. Until next time, I'm signing off.